We will be discussing here about CPA lead. This is a website CPA lead. It's a cost per action lead. I will show you how to work with CPA lead to make money. We will be promoting our affiliate products or their affiliate products through CPA lead. It's an amazing website. Trust me, not many people know about it, and this method or technique is not very common. Not everyone knows about it. So this is an amazing product and technique which I'm sharing with you. You see, it's CPA lead generation offers PPC advertising and CPI mobile app installs. CPA Lead is a private lead generation network specialized in CPA offers, that is cost per acquisition or cost per action, excuse me, PPC advertising and CPI mobile app installs. Since 2007, CPAlead.com has paid out over $100 million to publishers from all over the world with advanced custom tracking and evolved traffic quality measures. Now, trust me, this is an amazing platform, an amazing website to make money. Now, what you need to do is go to you need to come to www.cpalead.com, and then you need to join in as a publisher. Okay, because now here there are two parties, one is advertisers, the others are publishers. Now advertisers are the one who are offering their products, and the publishers are here the affiliate products, mobile monetization, media buyers, display ads. So someone wants to advertise the product now, this is here where they will go, and you want to earn money, so this is here you will click. So you will be joining as publisher here. Let us see. Now join the CPA lead generation network, one click sign away. You can sign up with Facebook or with a Google. You need a Google account, and you just fill up the form and become a member. Now membership with CPA lead is always free, and you will have access to our large inventory of ready to promote niche affiliate products, PPC offers, CPI mobile app offers, and CPA lead generation offers. So just quickly make an account here, and then we will discuss further how to work. Making money with this method, CPA lead, is a complete fun. You can make big amount of money with this method. This is a very effective method which gives maximum percentage of success in affiliate marketing, and it's very easy. Trust me, most of the work and heavy lifting is being done by the CPA lead.com. They have designed an amazing platform, and it's as easy as it can be. Even the newbie can just start earning and making money straight away with this. The main method in this is that you create a log page, you send or you market an important information or a game cheat, and you offer a reader of your blog or the visitor of your site or of your social media platform, you offer them some helpful information or an important uh, book or a free training video or a game cheat or even a software, and then this when they start reading about it and they are halfway through or they get some information, and then they a pop-up screen, a locker screen comes up when they want to get into next page of information, and that is where a survey comes in. And trust me, this is a human nature. the curiosity of information blocked by a small survey or a questionnaire. So 100% or 99% of the people would like to fill up that information and get into the details. This is human psyche. So you, at that point, you give them a small survey to sign up, to fill a questionnaire, and once they fill, you make money. And once they fill in that survey, and then that screen gets unlocked and they get the information which they're looking for, or they will get a free software which has brought them there. It is quite easy. And this is, CPA lead has many products, many ways of doing it. You can do it on desktop, on mobile, APIs, and a lot of products. You just see here, these are some of the products here. You see, uh, excuse me, it's already designed. You just need to click and get, and this is the amount which you will be paid. And see, this is the amount which you will be paid, $6.68 if someone will click on your ad. And you can do it even on in your social media. You can either do it or promote it in these links in your social media platform, Facebook, Twitter, or any other social media platforms. Or you can have your own website or blog. If you have your own blog or a website, you can promote it in your blog and in your website as well. You see, there are some good amounts, like this is $8.33. Find monster game. All you have to do is come here, click, and this is how, this is the link. You see this, share this URL to earn. You just need to copy this URL and then paste it in your Facebook or in your website or a blog, but read completely the whole information. See, only share with people from these countries. Jordan, now you can only market this in Jordan, all the devices. So that's why look for a product which is in your relevant country or which suits you. Like this one is $5.64 and it's in uh, okay, this is in Canada. So if you're in Canada, then you can just share this site, copy, and go and paste it in the Facebook, in your Facebook page, on your Facebook page, on your blog, or on your website. uh, these are the pay-per-click niches here. See, these are quite easy. You look for the niche which is at the same time gives you some good amount of commission, as well as it is interesting and relevant to your interest and all. 18 tips to make $90,000 with Amazon. Okay, now let me, in the next video I will explain further how to create, what are the lockers and how to create and use these lockers. You log in, you come to this screen. Here you have so many items to promote: banners, custom ad, pop under, interstitial, superlink, push-up, lockers, offer wall. Each and every link you can create and share it on your website or your blog or on your Facebook, and if someone will click that, it will go to the screen which is created, and that person will fill in the survey, and you will earn the money. We will just go through the locker here. We'll try to create a locker. So click on a locker, create locker. Okay, now these are the ready templates, available templates which you can use. I highly recommend that you use one of these templates instead of creating your own. You can create your own here as well. Now instead of, all these templates are available, you can use these templates. Let us see, what's the easy one. Clash of Clans, we can use Clash of Clans. 152 promoters are using this. So okay, let us try use template. Your custom template has been activated, so you can click OK and you will be taken to that screen. Fine. Here you now, this is the file locker. You can name the locker. You can name it Clash of Clans. Page title, I think it's okay, Clash of Clans uh, to Clash of Clans hack tool and cheats. Description, you can write here, to get access you need to fill the survey. Okay, something like this, a message which clearly explains what it is. To get an access, you need to fill the survey, or you need to complete this survey. Download instructions, please complete an option below to access the cheat. It's the same description, the download information. Now this is the final URL which is there, and it's let it be all offers, and then you go down. Okay, and save changes. Share your locker with any of these URLs. You can share with any of these URLs. You let us share it with the second one here. Click. Now this is how the page will appear to the visitor of your site. Okay, and someone who's interested in Clash of Clans and they want the information, they will click download. Once they click download, now this is a log page. Now this is where they need to fill up the survey, complete this survey which is free. Now city simplicity or earn rewards for survey, the fields. Now they have to click and complete the survey to get to the information. So now this is the survey. Now it started, and this is just an example. Now that person will fill up the survey, and then this screen gets unlocked. This screen gets unlocked and he will have access to complete Clash of Clan, uh, the game, the the cheats, the game cheats. This is how simple it is. Now so someone fills up a survey and you will be rewarded money, you will earn money. Now you can share this link on your website. You can share this link on your website, on your manage lockers here, uh, on your Facebook page, on your blog. You see here, this is the one we just now created, Clash of Clans. Now this is the share link. Okay, now this one is the share link which you will copy and share it on your website, on your blog, or on your Facebook page, and if someone visits, you will earn the money. Now the best blog, according to my opinion, I highly recommend is blogger.com from Google. It is free and it's amazing. It has free templates which you can use, and it has all the tools which are required to create a blog. It's very easy to understand. It comes with a free domain, you see here, and you can, once your blog gets created, you can monetize it, and then you the ads will appear on your blog and you will start earning money. I will have another slide explaining the blogger.com completely, where you can use it to create blogs and then to create the affiliate links and CPA lead links to make money out of it. It's an amazing source and it's a free source. You don't need to pay for hosting, you don't need to pay for your domains. It's all completely free. So go ahead and create a sign in with your Google account and create your blog. There are a lot of people on Blogger, and it will take care, the blogger itself takes care of the complete SEO thing and all you need to do is put good contents in it and put the links. Now this is how you can earn a lot of money with CPA leads. Now the amazing benefits of CPA lead are you can create as many links as you want, and you can market as many links as you can. It's up to you how many you can manage. And another good thing about CPA lead is it's instant rewarding. They pay every week, and as soon as someone clicks your ad or your log page, you get paid instantly. Within few minutes you will have money in your account, in your CPA lead platform, and then once in a week they send the money to you through PayPal. So it's an amazing money making platform. Do start using it. It's very easy. You just need to work few minutes a day. I can say 15 to 30 minutes a day, or 1 hour or few hours in a week, and you will be on your way to make good money every day.